Hey guys, I'm putting together a video here of just TIG welding on this lower control arm. I'm in the middle of editing the video footage for the fabrication of the lower control arm on the back of the Baja Bug, and there's so much video with it that I can't put it all in the original video. If I do, it'll be too long. So what I'm going to do is I'm just taking a lot of the TIG welding footage and I'm going to throw it into this video just so that you guys can check it out, because it's TIG welding and I think a lot of it's really cool. So that's what I'm going to make this video for.
Break down the awkwardness, put on my boots and a lily white dress. A million words, but how to express what I'm feeling when I see you. You flash a smile, I'm like, is this happening? I look your way and then of course drop everything. You walk over and ask if I'm alright. Hey, whatever it takes to break the ice. Pickup line, but either one of those is just a waste of time. I need a better way, I need some inspiration, something that better explains all my motivation. To meet you, know you, and be on your mind. I have to, but how do I put this right? Don't overcomplicate, just say hi, or whatever it takes to break the ice.
My torch here is air-cooled, it's not water-cooled, so when I'm welding like this over and over and over, I can only weld for so long before the torch just it's so hot I can't touch it. So what I do, I've got a floor fan shooting off to the side here, and if I just, every once in a while, when the torch gets too hot, if I just put it right here in front of the fan for about 5 minutes, it cools it down to the point where I can handle it again.